The secret to pronounce sound I in Russian. Let's go. First, open your mouth. Second, smile. Third, start pronouncing sound I. When you pronounce I, your tongue touches your lower teeth, like that. Then, try to slowly move your tongue backwards, continuing pronouncing sound I, like that. I. You hear that? Sound I. If you don't get it, use pencil method. Put your pencil into your mouth, like that. And start pronouncing the sound I without touching the pencil. It will be difficult, but you will succeed, like that. And you have I.